Are you hearing me now? If you haven't all left because you're bored of not hearing anything, I don't blame you. You are, you can. Okay, well at least that means I'm set up for next time. Let me just go through everything that I just said a moment ago when I thought you could hear me. This evening was all about making a diagonal checker for boxes to make sure that they're square. And let me just give you an idea of what you've missed. So we've got a box like this. Want to check it's square. I made for myself at the weekend this little device where we can adjust the arms on here. If we take the lock off, adjust the arms, get them to fit inside the internal diagonals, lock them off and check the opposite diagonal, and that tells me that the box is square. So what I did this evening, whilst I thought I was streaming and obviously wasn't, was I built this one here, again out of the scrap bin, nice piece of ash and some bits of pine. And that was to give away. Well, seeing as the whole thing's shot to pieces this evening, I shall do the same on Wednesday. If anything, it's been a good practice for me. And then I will have 2 of these to give away to anyone who would like one. So we'll do another draw next time. So in the comments for the video next time when I build the second one of these, just put in the chat or in the comments to the video that you'd like to be entered into the draw, and I shall do a draw for that. And as you probably saw the strop appear earlier with no audio, that I offered to give away a couple of streams ago. The person who won it was Moonwolf70, I think it was. I did reach out to him replying to his entry, but I've heard nothing back, so I don't know where to send it. If I don't hear anything by the end of this week, that will be something else that will be going out to one of you viewers. Okay, so I am really sorry for the big cock up today. It often happens in my streams, but hopefully the video and the audio now at least is better than it was when I was doing it from the phone. I've got the couple of angles there so I can actually see you, speak to you, and you can see me. Not that that's a good idea, but you know what I mean. And hopefully next time it'll be a bit better. I shall spend a couple of minutes just going through the chat to see if there are any questions. But folks, I'm sorry for wasting all your time. Hopefully Wednesday will be a bit better. Cheerio. So thank you all so much for helping me get things sorted eventually. And I don't know if it would have been better for me to think that I'd streamed it successfully or to know that I'd completely failed. But anyway, I do know. We seem to have sorted out the audio and the video. Apparently the software I'm using for streaming will remember that for next time. So as long as I plug everything into the same ports, I think everything should work. What else can I say?